So I've got the M4 Mac Mini here already set up, and I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to this M4 Mac Mini. So you need just to go through the process you would use to connect your Bluetooth headphones to any other Mac. So once everything is set up, just go to the top right corner and click on this icon here. And on that icon, go to Bluetooth. So once you click on Bluetooth, it's going to open this little page. Click on Bluetooth settings, and that's going to open the Bluetooth settings window. Now here, you can see the M4 Mac Mini is already searching for nearby devices. So what you need to do is put your Bluetooth headphones in pairing mode. Now, different types of Bluetooth headphones from different companies have different ways of putting them in Bluetooth pairing mode. So you just need to know how yours are put in Bluetooth pairing mode. For this specific JBL, all I have to do is long press here. And once the Bluetooth headphones are in pairing mode, they should get detected by the M4 Mac Mini. So as you can see, they've already been detected here. Let me just scroll a bit. There you go. So all you have to do now is connect. Now once they get connected, you should see them in this list under My Devices. And then you can now close that window and you can put on your headphones. And in case sound is not coming from your headphones, when you play media or whatever it is that you're doing, just come here and then click on that icon again and then click on sound. And under sound, make sure your headphones are selected, because if the Mac Mini speaker is selected, then the sound is still gonna come from the Mac Mini. And you have to actually make sure your headphones are the ones selected. So that is basically how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your M4 Mac Mini. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.